Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A small apartment like a small house near Montmartre. Under the rooftops of Paris, Acte Deux has created a 55 square meters apartment, a play of volume and light, as if sculpted from solid mass. Combining whiteness, geometric lines, and free-spirited inspiration. In this open architecture, the volume sequence the space and the light plays the role of conductor, distributing its zenithal brightness according to the hours of the day, through openings and roof windows like so many pierced windows benefiting from the triple orientation of the apartment. Furniture and objects see their shadows projected on the floor as on the walls, and, in this interplay of relationship to volume and sculpture, the light gives them aspects changing with the course of the sun.